Hi ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here for this tutorial on email templates. In this tutorial, I want to show you an optional way or another way you can create an email template. So I'm going to go up top, click on email templates. I'm going to go over to the far right, go to actions and go new template. So at this point, when this box pops up, I'm just going to give it a template name and I'm just going to call it 102. I'm going to click create. When this opens up, you're going to see we have just a basic fundamental template that is laid out for us on the screen. And we can start working with this template by adding things to it. And I showed you that in my previous tutorial, how we went in and added things to this sort of outlined template to make it more of our own. Now, on that note, you can also, and I think this is good for a couple reasons. One, to be aware of it, and two, for practice sake, if you go up to actions and go import templates, not import my templates, because those are templates you've previously designed for yourself, but if you click on import templates, when this box comes up, there are all kinds of templates in here that you can view. I'm going to come up here and choose the page size to 50. And when I do that, now I'm going to use the page down key on my keyboard. Let me just get down a little bit. Now I'm going to use the page down key on my keyboard to jump down and look at some of the templates that are available to you. So the reason I want to point this out is there's all kinds of templates in here that you can use if you find you're not really a designer, or if you need a little bit of a jump start for getting through this, come in and use some of these templates. Also, by looking at these templates, I think it will give you an understanding of the way templates can work. So there's all kinds of reasons to look at these. So again, go in, take a look at it, see what works for you, try to find a template that makes sense and is something you'd want to explore and work with, and take a look at the templates. Let me go back up and see if I can find one. I am going to choose this one right here. And by clicking on import, I'm going to import that template in and it will open up. So now I can go in and edit this template. Now I think anytime you bring a template in, it's a good idea to give it a good unique name. And to give it a good unique name, we're going to do a copy or save copy as of that template. So I'm just waiting for it to load here. Okay. Excellent. So now it's loaded. I'm going to go up to actions and I'm going to go save copy as. And a lot of times what I'll do is I'll just give it the same name, but I'll put a letter after it. The reason I don't use numbers is because the numbers start to double up on themselves. So after you hit 9, it will go to 10, but it will put the 10 down typically with the 1. So I use letters because I know I have at least 26 letters to choose from. I'm going to click save, and now I've saved that. Now, technically, we can come in and work on this and change it the way I showed you how to change things in your other program. So it's a great tool for getting you involved and getting you into this and learning how to create templates, and it gives you some great creative thoughts as well. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Have a great day. Thank you.